Blowmouth guitar fish. Really? Oh yeah. I'm still scared to walk on it.
This is cool. I like this.
Oh, there's the big ones. Oh, good. Oh, it's a soft shark. Sawfish. Look how dark that looks. That looks awesome.
Matthew, you see the pretty little blue fish down there? Purple? Look at that. Isn't that pretty? They probably appetizers.
I'll be honest, we might need to go back to the hotel and get my charger. We might need to go back to my hotel and get the car charger if we have time later. I didn't know that this battery would get wiped out after. I didn't know it would get wiped out after like 10 seconds of use. I just want to lay on this.
Yeah, it sucked being inside this tank.
And these are the Nevada ugly as hell fish. I like those little blue ones. Those are bright.
Yeah.